Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your images from someone. So here you can see that's the app here. If someone know the password, so they can see the images behind this screen. So if someone don't know the password, if they try something like this and click on submit, there is a wrong password. And I'm going to put here original passwords and submit. So now here you can see that's the images here. So let's start how to do this. Go to my project, click on start new project, image lock, click on OK. So now I'm going to use here two layouts. First one is vertical arrangement and second one is vertical scroll arrangement. So I'm going to first make it both fill parent and that one is also fill parent like this. And now I'm going to disable second one, scroll arrangement, visible is unchecked. Now we have only one, that one is vertical arrangement one. So now I'm going to use here my login ID and password. So first use one button and I'm going to click on vertical arrangement and here you can see align vertical to center, align horizontal to center. Okay, and here I'm going to use one label and second label and here one password text box. That one is here. Fine. Now click on this and just change the text till the password. And second one is nothing. And we have to make it hide is something 5% like this. And I'm going to change this button text. Click on submit and change this background color of vertical arrangement. Default background color is going to be black and something orange or any looking good. And change this button color also. Text color is going to be white and background color is always color it's style, almost style. Fine, great. Now we are going to disable this screen right now for visible off and make it visible on this one second vertical scroll arrangement and change this background color default to black and here we will use some images, one and two images. I'm going to use here only two images. You can put here a lot of images, okay, and their height something 400 pixel and say this 200 is fine, I think. 200 and 200. Fine. And second image is also going to be 200 and 200. And click on this vertical, it's called arrangement and you will see at left, do it center. This one is top. Fine. I'm going to change this image one. You will see picture option, click on upload file, click on choose file. And I'm going to use this one image. Click on OK. Wait some seconds, fine, and click on another image. And I'm going to choose another image like this. And I will select here this one. Go 30 min. You can upload it many files here. Now we will disable their visible is should be off unchecked and that one is visible is on. Fine. Now go to the block section. Whenever someone click on this button one dot click, then what will happen? We have to check the password is right or wrong. So click on the control, use select their if block and go to the maths and you are not logic and you will see here green block, drag and drop this and we have to match the password. So first text and try and drop this text field and password is something Harry. You can okay, so you can put any password here. And the second thing we have to check the password. So password text box dot text. You will find here this one, right? If the password text box one dot text equal to our password, then what will happen? Vertical arrangement, this one visible going to be off, visible false, and then vertical scroll arrangement visible should be visible. Okay, fine, like this. And if someone type the wrong password, then if password does not match, then we will display in label 1 or label 2. That one is over here is on second label. That one is definitely label 1. So label 1 dot text, set label 1 dot text to, here we will change the text, wrong password, wrong password. Fine, that's very easy. Now go to the here and you will see here, please fill the password. If I'm going to enter Y and T and just click on submit, wrong password. And if I'm going to, what's my password? Go to the block section, Harry123. So Harry, click on submit and you will see the images here. All right. So that's very easy way to protect your image in app, right? So that's very easy way. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye-bye.